Hey everybody, nice fresh winter day. You want to go for a little hike with me? We'll go down to the river. Okay, we came the wrong way. Let's go down to the bigger entrance. There's storms coming in heavier. Almost seems like it's getting heavier by the minute. So there's a few entrance points to this trail. It's a matter of finding. They're not so easily recognizable. And we're on trail. Look at this. Oh my. Wow. Wow. Holy. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. This is so pretty. It's beautiful. Let's get down to the water and walk along the edge. See if we can get some nice shots. You can see the mist on the water. This is the Gatineau River, everyone. And it's gorgeous. There have been people here already. Nope, not doing it. See, the problem is there's so much snow, heavy snow sitting on these branches right now that even just a tiny little tap and it all comes falling down on you. And I'm scared for my video equipment. I finally got it to where I want it. I'm gonna miss this place. I'll go on the record right now and let you all know that I am moving. Wow, look at this. my place now. I've been busy this morning already. A lot with the storm. Just shoveling the driveway and whatnot. Anyway, everyone, thank you so much for coming with me today, and I hope I gave you something to look at. In hindsight now, I see I should have brought the expedition jacket with me rather than this lighter one. Whew. Anyways, yeah, I hope you do come again next time, and that's what a typical Canadian snowstorm looks like. Good times.